Familiar with this term VoLTE. Where we have seen this? While configuring our SIM card with 4G handset, we have seen this term. Often the VoLTE icon appeared beside the network icon in our mobile handset. So everywhere, whenever we see VoLTE, in our mind we ask this question, what is VoLTE? So in this video, what I'll do is I'll explain what VoLTE is. So let's start. So what is VoLTE? Let me explain. VoLTE stands for Voice over LTE. Now what is LTE? LTE stands for long term evolution. Now why LTE? Why LTE came into picture? Because LTE is a wireless broadband standard that facilitates high speed internet in mobile handset. So what is VoLTE and why VoLTE? VoLTE is a standard to send voice over this wireless broadband standard, that is LTE. Now VoLTE has many advantages. So to fully understand VoLTE, I want to take you back to the generation of 2G. So let's revisit the second generation. How 2G worked? If you can remember, then this is a very technical aspect, that is 2G used circuit switched network for voice communication between mobile phones. That was purely circuit switched network. It's a different network. And while we were using 2G, that time 2G didn't support internet over the circuit switched network. So we didn't have access to internet as such. Internet came into picture with 2.5G, that was known as also known as Edge and GPRS. That was an era of GPRS and Edge. That was the first time internet came into mobile phone. So there was a particular disadvantage of 2G, that, or you can say 2.5G, that was simultaneous voice calls and data was not supported at all. That's why the evolution happened and we entered into the era of 3G. Now let's revisit 3G. So how 3G worked? In 3G, we have two separate network. One is for voice, another is for data. So there is a separate circuit switch network for voice and there is a separate packet switch network for data. So a dedicated network for data and a dedicated network for voice. So simultaneously a call or data service may run. So no problem at all. And this for data network, the bandwidth of the data network increased than 2G. 2G was very slow, and in 3G the bandwidth increased to up to 7.2 Mbps. That was the high speed network. That's why 3G became so popular. But there were disadvantages because the call quality still didn't improve that much, because circuit switch network is used for voice. The circuit switch network you can identify with, like whenever you are making a call, you can listen to the sound like tee, tee, tee. These were the sounds during the call connection process, because the voice used for circuit switched network. In circuit switched network, these things can happen. So when the evolution happened, we entered into the era of 4G. Before telling you anything about 4G, let me explain another technology, that is VoIP. So what is VoIP? VoIP is voice over IP network. It's another protocol. It's a different altogether protocol. So, the example of VoIP is, you have heard about Skype. Skype is a VoIP app. So, what VoIP does is, it digitizes the voice signals into packets to send over IP network. That is the main thing of VoIP. So, what it offers is high quality call service, but the disadvantage is, whenever two parties are in a VoIP call, the two parties should have working internet connection, otherwise a VoIP call cannot be made. So, that was the main disadvantage. Now, when we entered the era of 4G, then what we got? Now, VoLTE is a standard for 4G. So, I have told you what VoLTE is and why we are using VoLTE. Now, I am going to tell you and how VoLTE works. VoLTE has a single network for both voice and data. The single network has separate bearers for voice and data. So, voice signals like VoIP, voice signals here get digitized into packets and transmitted over the network using a separate bearer, but data is also getting transmitted through a separate bearer. Now, unlike VoIP, VoLTE doesn't use IP network. VoLTE uses IMS, that is IP based multimedia subsystem. It's a different standard altogether. Unlike IP, this is a better one, and IMS is the latest technology which is incorporated into the long term evolution LTE standard. So, VoLTE uses just that IMS, it's not IP. So, what VoLTE offers is rich call quality and higher internet speed than 3G, like you can get a bandwidth of 42 Mbps in this 4G VoLTE. And there are other advantages, like the biggest USP is VoLTE calls can be possible without data service to be on. Like you switch off your data and still you can make VoLTE calls. For that, the party or the friend you are making the call to should be in VoLTE network, otherwise the VoLTE call will not happen. So, if both parties are in VoLTE network, then VoLTE calls can happen without data service to be on. And there are I have told you about separate bearers, not barriers, it's bearers, separate bearers for voice and data. So, simultaneously a data service and a call service can run in VoLTE. It's a technology of 4th generation. So, that's all about VoLTE. Now, if you have any question regarding a VoLTE or something like that, you can put your queries in comment section, and if you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel to get more such videos. Thank you.